Okay, so I was asked how to upload a Microsoft Office file to Google Drive. There's two ways you can actually do that. Um, One of the ways is just to come up here to New, File Upload, and then find that file and then open it. That'll start to upload that file. Another way you could do it is if you have the folder open of where you're going to be bringing the new file in, you could just minimize your window. And then let's say I'm going to take this file here and just drag it over and let it go. And then it's going to start to upload that file. Now, what you might have noticed is that when these uploaded, they stayed with a capital W and they stayed in the .docx format. That's because I have at least in my Google Drive, it set not to automatically convert. However, if you wanted that to automatically convert it to a Google Drive file when you went to upload it, you would simply come up here to settings. And then right here, you would say convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Then when I went to upload those files, in either way, it would then automatically convert it to a Google Doc type format. So if it was an Excel file, it would turn it into a Google Sheet. If it was a Word file, it would turn it into a Google document. Again, as always, if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to comment below if you have any other technology related questions that you'd like to see in another video. Thanks.